In this video, I will show you how to enable the voice feature on ChatGPT on an iPhone and on an Android device. It's actually very simple, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Let's start. So the first thing you want to do is obviously store, search ChatGPT. You want to make sure you have the latest version. If you have an update version, click on it so you have the latest version. Then you want to just have the free plan, obviously, right now. So what I'm doing with the free plan is I'm getting um, you have an X amount of times you can use the paid, like a free trial, right? So what you have in the free trial is this option right here. It has two options. So you just click choose voice, and that's it. Now you can speak and have conversations with ChatGPT, ask a question as opposed to typing. I'm planning to start using it right now because I've had so many inquiries even today, just day-to-day stuff. Even like I was asking ChatGPT about how process this product when I took screenshots and so on. If you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section as well. We'd love to help you out. Till next time. Bye.